Inefficiencies in metal fabrication production can lead to unnecessary downtime, labor constraints, bottlenecks, and even overspending. These are all things that hold businesses back from achieving their goals. At Weiler Abrasives, we believe one of the greatest opportunities for improvement can be found by optimizing cutting and grinding operations. The Weiler Consumable Productivity program helps facilities find cost and time savings in fabrication operations when they don't have the resources or process in place to quantify results. Weiler Abrasive Specialists comes to your facility to address production processes. Once we understand your priorities and challenges, we test products, measure results, and provide documented improvements. Improvements that speed up production, reduce spend, and increase your bottom line. WCP, a program that quantifies improvements. Schedule an on-site assessment today at WeilerAbrasives.com.